so we're a little bit homeless here. So in the park we found a lot of bottles here, and we brought them here to make a little money. Here's our sum, $1. For $1 we can buy pizza. Okay. Uh-oh. A bottle fell out of the container. I mean, of conveyor. Okay, good. This thing is really smart. It's like computer. It's like almost human. Okay. So we have here 3 bags, 1, 2, 3, and it's probably gonna take 20 minutes. Okay, $2. Almost. Okay. We have $7.
No, wait.
So we have $7.35.
Woohoo!
Okay, so this was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe.